This weekend's adventure included a long car ride down to Orlando, Florida, but was totally worth it.
We headed to Islands of Adventure in Orlando, Florida, and we've got some tips that if you're going to take a weekend trip like that you would want to stay tuned for.
We're at Islands of Adventure today, and Islands of Adventure happens to be one of my favorite theme parks. Yeah, so I'm really excited to be here at Islands of Adventure, and we'll see. We're gonna try to hit the what is that world?
Jurassic World?
No.
Oh.
The
Harry Potter World?
The Harry Potter stuff first, because that gets busy first. So excited for today. Love Islands of Adventure. First stop, Dr. Seuss Land. I am really excited about this, and is that normal because we're old?
It is normal.
And you also were supposed to say, no, you're not old. So right behind me, right here, is where there used to be a car, and Taylor and Kenzie got their picture made there when they were really little, and then when we came back again. Now look, it's gone. I want to see it. The trees are cool, but I'm sad to see the car gone. So I was wrong. There's the car. I'm not gonna stand in a line to get in and stand in a line. We're in a 120-minute wait line, but we went through single riders so we can see if we can get through faster. This is supposed to be the ride. We shall see. I don't know if I believe this is worth it.
It was definitely worth it, regardless of the face that Stacy was making. You have to experience this ride for yourself.
Here's the best thing. Butterbeer.
It's like liquid butterscotch. It's awesome. Okay, so we thought we could go on some of these water rides. We thought we could go on some of these water rides and not maybe get wet.
The question was, would we get wet?
Yeah, no dice. And it's cold, ice cold.
And the answer is yes.
Well, I'm soaked completely to the bone and I'm freezing.
But be free and do it anyway. I would recommend eating at City Walk rather than in the park. And City Walk is the area that's right before you get into the park.
Yeah, definitely better choices, better food, better service, overall better experience at City Walk than in the park.
And there's a lot of really cool places actually. And so we'll share a couple of our favorites. There is the chocolate factory, and I'm so excited about it. I've been waiting to go to this place. We're here, we're at the chocolate place, and I'm so excited. Look!
We're here at the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. And for those of you who don't know me, chocolate is probably my favorite food group, and it's the most nutritional thing that I can eat. So we're super excited to go in there, not only for the chocolate, but also for the savory food that they offer as well. So the menu looks awesome, and hopefully it will be just as good as it looks.
We got it.
Oh, and we decided to get lemon water. Quite refreshing.
No.
You can get food if you wish.
To be truly free, I'm going for the chocolate coma. Oh yeah.
You got a lot to eat.
It's a whole lot of sweets, even for a professional like me.
The thing has like cookies and brownies and different kinds of cookies and chocolate shavings and ice cream and whipped cream. That's insane. The Toothsome Chocolate Emporium was a definite must. We had a lot of fun there. It was a great place to eat, and it was super fun.
For our last culinary experience, we decided to go to Pat O'Brien's. But the highlight for this really wasn't the food, it was the dueling pianos.
So we're getting ready to go on one of the greatest inventions of all time. I can't imagine how many people it's saved over the years. Are you ready for it? It's huge. This thing's not working, so we're having to actually walk.
No
So
fun.
sad. We're having to use our legs more. We did one last ride today. It was the Velociraptor. I don't even know.
Velocicoaster.
Oh, I don't even know though if your body should do those things.
It was extremely intense G-forces, probably more than I've ever felt on a roller coaster before. It was very intense, but it was good. It was good though, but it was intense. I was glad when it was over.
So we have now come to the end of our Universal Studios Orlando journey, and I had a fabulous time.
Me too. It was wonderful. As always, you need to be free.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.